Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you a trading. I'll be showing you how my trading system works, which I've created for MT5 to be precise. So today we're dealing on the MT5 platform, so I'll show you how it works, and it's easy and simple to understand. So as we can see here, there's some like green stuff like that, like candlesticks that form around the main candlesticks. So it's called Hakanashi candles, but this time around the Hakanashi candles are not on the candlesticks to be precise. Because if you want the Akanashi candles to be on the candlesticks, I think Akanashi candles flow comes with like every meta trader. You can find that there. You just search it. So basically, it's simple and easy to understand. You work with the stochastic, which is custom settings, not the regular settings. And the Hakenashi candlesticks is based on this one is based on moving averages. That's why it's not aligned with the candlestick itself. It works based on moving average and MACD attached together. So we'll find a way to combine it, MACD and stochastic with Heikin-Ashi together. So that's why you can see this IMAG and I whatever based on some particular settings and yeah, and some other coding stuff like that. Because some conditions that should be met also to make it more perfect. So it's as simple as anything. Once you get a headline, so like now I've marked out some regions. Let me mark out more regions that will help you understand how the trading system works. So if you take a look at this region now, the stochastic, the red line crossing above the stochastic. So if I'll call them, you to get to a little bit confusing to your head. So they are all both set on 7 periods. They are all the periods are all 7 for the stochastic. So the momentum calculator is the one that is based on 25. That so once you get an intro of something like this, so most at the time, like almost every time, firstly the stochastic always give you a heads up on what's going to happen in the market, but it doesn't matter. Each of them can give you a heads up. So for example, now your stochastic has crossed, you're expecting a downtrend, so now you look to start seeing the red Hekenashi candles begin to pop up. So now, for example, now this is not a clear entry, but I won't be telling you basically. I won't be telling you everything. For those who want the trading system, come get it for me. Then I will show you everything and tell you how everything works. Then yeah. So once you begin to see it crossing, then you begin to go low. So for example, now let's say you are trading because it's basically on the 4 hour time frame. So for boom and crash to be precise, but you can also put it for any other thing. Like yes, you can trade it with like volatility 75. You can just come that this 2.0 MT5 new. So you see how perfect it is. You see how small it is. Now you can be profitable consistently over a long time without having to go through any stress at all. So you can see consistently profitable is the main thing. So look at it. Just look at it. There are just few seasons whereby you get some fake outs, but most of the time you will be in trending market. So this is basically a trend following trading system. So what it does basically is identifies the trends for you and shows you, then you go with it. That's all it does. So it doesn't do any other extra work for you. So once you have find the trend and it's simple and anything, just look at something like this. This is 4 hour time frame, don't forget. So imagine you always trail your stop for every trade, so you will rarely be in loss. So this the only trade that you can call calculate yourself being in the loss is like this entry now. So but for those who are going to get the trading system from me, they are going to pay me, then I will put you through on how to avoid things like this. So it's just some basic rules like that. There are rules that come with trading system, so I won't be sharing it today in the video, but I just want you to see how profitable and consistent you can be trading this for those who trade derive. So we also have an MT4 own is also clean, also not bad for stocks, but you know there are lots of consolidation on currency pairs. So it also works for currency pairs, but it's just that there are consolidation and stuff like that. So you might end up falling in consolidation. But I have a certain set of rules that if you follow and abide, you're going to be consistently profitable with the trading system. So I think that will be all for now. I think you guys have seen how profitable you can be with this trading system. So school and anything, and look at it, the fact that I trained on the 4 hour time frame is good enough. So I think that will be all for now. So bye guys.